The Data Center allows you to download any market data you need. It is located in the Tools menu. You can click on each symbol to see their properties, like the available history. You can update them easily by clicking the dedicated button. The data will be downloaded from the Naked Market servers. You can see the downloaded history, which is the data downloaded on your computer. By clicking on the Properties button, you can edit options like spread, leverage, swaps, and commissions. This spread static value will be used if you deactivated the real spread option during backtest creation. You can select different brokers, with different data history properties like the spread or the data range. On the Timeframes tab, you can see all the standard and custom timeframes. It's possible to create custom timeframe by indicating the number of minutes. This new timeframe will be applied to all existing data downloaded on your computer. You will be able to use this new timeframe on every chart. On the News tab, you can see a sample of the latest downloaded news. The update level can be seen on top of the window. You need to click on the Update button to benefit from the latest news releases.